So what is Bionic Chaos? It's an open project democratizing biomedical data processing. The name, Bionics, is combining biology and electronics, and you know what chaos is. So what are you getting out of using bionicchaos.com? Happy you asked that. So if you are interested in biomedical data science and engineering, this is a good place to be. You can learn, try new tools, or even contribute to them yourself by designing your own or using the APIs. A variety of signal processing topics, statistics, fuzzy logic, neural nets, spectrogram. We do some image classification, graphic processing, and many more. It has practical examples that help determine signal characteristics, predict events and irregularities within signal to better understand biomedical data. So do I need to download or install anything? No, you can just use the examples. They are standalone on the webpage and magic happens. However, some might want to do things offline at their own time without accessing the website. So yes, generally it is possible to provide you a version of the standalone tool. Is the website web apps and data are hosted locally? Everything you see on the site is hosted locally on Wurundjeri land. Are third-party trackers or other tools used on Bionic Chaos? I'm not using any third-party tools. It's only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, there are now Google Ads, so there's a little HTML code that allows Google integrating the ad window on the page. Can I access the raw data? Yes, all the raw data used on this site is de-identified and available in the public domain. This is very important. Exact sources are mentioned in each specific example tool. Can I use Bionic Chaos for anything? Yes, anything possible. Bionic Chaos is released under Creative Commons Attribution License. So that means that you can use it for any purpose. Can I use my own data? Yes. Ideally, you upload your data to a public repository like PhysioNet, GitHub, IEG. There are many others. This should be a more extensive list in the resources section on the site. And send me the link. In a rare case where data is top secret, we could set you up with a login on Bionic Cloud, which is my consulting website. Do you have to make a disclaimer? Yes, I do. Any information or tools on this site are not certified for clinical or commercial use. This is an experimental site and comes as is, including all its bugs and defects. Do not use this site for any clinical diagnostic purposes. And I'm, as the developer, not taking any liability, including financial loss, misdiagnosis, a nuclear attack, apocalypse, or loss of data. Is Bionic Chaos secure? It is now secure. Does Bionic Chaos collect any personal information? No, you do not need to provide any personal information. I don't need your personal information. Can I ask the developer to change any or add anything? Yes, please do so. Any suggestions, bugs that you notice, please let me know. I would like to contribute to Bionic Chaos project. What are my options? You could help analyze the data or develop new tools. Please contact me with your level of expertise and specific interests. I would like to make financial contribution to support Bionic Chaos project. Is it possible? Yes, please use Patreon. Here's the link. Can I learn more about the site design? I'm using National Instruments tools mainly. It's LabVIEW and G Web development. The diagrams below is a general back-end overview. So in here is my general setup. I do have a powerful GPU and relying a lot of manual labeling of datasets and then using fuzzy logic and neural nets to essentially aid manual labeling or apply it on a larger dataset, standard type of procedure. So we look at, for example, if we have an EEG and we want to assess its quality, we look at the amplitudes, edge, frequency domains, a cross coherence between different channels. We do manual labeling, then automate it with fuzzy logic neural nets and test performance. This is just another way of looking at the same thing. Bionic Chaos, as I mentioned already, is on YouTube as well. There's a Twitter account. There's some stuff on GitHub, but I haven't looked into it for a while. I've already mentioned Patreon. That's my personal website, and that's my consulting website for any custom design needs and datasets that are not publicly available. And currently we're working on new tools, so please stay tuned. That will be coming up on the site shortly. And most importantly, military associated use of this site is prohibited. No to war. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video or next tool.